Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. Today I'm going to be installing a resistor in this 2000 Nissan Pathfinder. If you need this part or other parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. In this car, when I turn the key on and I go to use the blower motor, it doesn't work on any of these lower speeds. It does work on high, so that means I know that the fuse is good, that it works on high. Most likely the cause is the resistor is blown, because the resistor controls these lower speeds. And the blower motor obviously works. It could be the switch also, but most likely it's the resistor burnt out. All right, so underneath the glove box on the passenger side, your resistor is located right here. The connector is right here. You can disconnect the connector, just take a screwdriver, or you can push down on the button, push down on the lock, pull the connector out. And there's two Phillips head screws that hold the resistor in. There's one right here. We'll just use a Phillips head screwdriver. Pull this one out. And then there's another one on the other side of it. Right there. Pull this screw out. You can slide the resistor out. Here's the old blower motor resistor. Here's the new blower motor resistor from 1aauto.com. It's got an updated design. It's smaller. It's gonna keep cooler longer. It should last longer. The connector is the same. The mounting holes are in the same position. Get yours at 1aauto.com and you'll be ready to rock and roll. On this old resistor, you can actually see where it's burnt, so that's not making a contact. And I'm sure some of these other connections are burnt as well. So we'll install this and we should be good to go. So I'm going to slide this into position, slide it into the HVAC box, and then take one of the screws with a screwdriver. Get this one started. Not going to snug it down completely yet. We'll get the other one started. I'll snug this one down as well. Remember, it's in plastic, so don't tighten it too tight. Just snug. It's good. Now we'll take the connector, line it up, and lock it in place. There we go. Now we can put the key in. And we'll check it. And it works on setting 1, setting 2, and setting 3 now.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.